Just a good day on vacation. It's just the greatest day. I mean, nothing's gonna ruin it. Okay, let's go on this vacation. I'll be right back. No, he's gone. Oh, I fell. I mean, nothing's going to ruin this vacation. Alright, I'm back. Okay. Put the collision off. No. Okay. Okay. Now. Wait, is that a mountain? Uh-oh, we're gonna crash, guys. Put on your parachutes. Wait, we're gonna fall too. Oh gosh, guys, put on your parachutes and all stand up. Okay, this is... Uh-oh. No, our roof is broken and we lost someone. Because they jumped out without a parachute. Now they're falling. Oh gosh, no. What the heck? Okay, let's respawn them. I am too lazy to make them get up because I don't know why. Yes, I have double back.
Bonus bets instantly. This baseball season, DraftKings is coming up clutch.
No. Yes. Okay. Guys. Oh, gosh, stop saying that. You're really eardrums. I don't know what, guys, this is bad. We're going to crash and we're gonna die. Guys, we're going to die. A massive thing just broke our roof. And it broke our engine too, so how now? Yeah. Whoa. Oh. Ow. I hurt my leg. Ow. Oh my gosh. Dude, that was insane. Now what are we gonna do? I mean, I guess we could